evening bloom and fireflies, memories unfold, old songs on a record, stories softly told. Barefoot on the lawn, laughter in the air, dancing under starlight, youth and dreams to share. We were wild and golden, hearts open wide, every moment sparkling, nothing left to hide. Echoes in the summer, imagine through the ages, no matter what the cost. Holding hands at midnight, shining in your eyes, spinning in the moonlight, time just drifting by. Simple joys and whispers, stars along the way, carried in our memories, love remains today. We were wild and golden, hearts open wide, every moment sparkling, nothing left to hide. Echoes in the summer, imagine through the ages, no matter what the cost.
Sunrise through the window, kettle on the stove, smell of bread and laughter, peace I've come to know. Dancing spoons and moments, sunlight on the floor, gratitude in every breath, loving what's in store. Beauty in the simple, joy in the day, every little kindness never fades away. Savoring the sweetness, warmth and delight, heart full of wonder in the softest light. La 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 la. La 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 la. Music in the kitchen, coffee in my cup, memories and stories, love is filling up. Hands that work together, smiles that softly glow, thankful for the journey in the sweet and gentle flow. Beauty in the simple, joy in the day, every little kindness never fades away. Savoring the sweetness, warmth and delight, heart full of wonder in the softest light. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sunrise painting color on your smiling face, laughter in the morning, life's a simple grace. Coffee on the table, music fills the space. Every day with you is my favorite place. Joy in the little things, love in the light, grateful for the moments, holding you tight, dancing through the sunshine. Hearts in blue, living in the magic of a love that feels so true. Bare feet in the kitchen, candles and night, evening songs and stories, everything feels right. Gratitude is easy with your hand in mine. Bright days together all the time. Joy in real things, love in the light. Grateful for the moments holding you tight, dancing through the sunshine. Hearts in blue, living in the magic of a love that feels so true. Crickets in the evening, sunset soft and gold, dancing to the rhythm of the stories we have told. Acoustic serenade, laughter with the wine, youth within the memory, love that feels divine. Bright days, gentle moments made of magic, sweetness everywhere, holding hands through seasons, comfort in your eyes, life and dreams together in the golden sky. Bright days, gentle nights, simple joys and city life. Candlelight shines on your face, memories linger, possible to erase. Your hand in mine, through the changing years,